Hi, this is Lee Smallwood from NOD3x or NOD3x.com with an exciting new update to our application. Before I actually get to that, I'd just like to review what NOD3x actually does and what you can do with it. Well, over the last 3 years, we've developed this application to actually help people, businesses and brands understand what the larger conversations taking place across social media, so Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and the wider web from 250,000 news sources, better understand what people are digesting in terms of content, i.e. content type, where they are consuming that content, be it on Google+, Twitter or Facebook, etc. Understand the best times of day and days of the week, posts relating to any specific niche, so not generic, are actually happening. Now, in July this year, we launched version 3 of NOD3x, and as you can see from here, this is the dashboard relating to any one particular project. Now, people are confused by data and also by graphs and things like that. It's just pure the nature of the beast. Not everybody understands graphs, and why should they? You know. So our job here at NOD3x is to help people understand what these graphs actually mean, and to help them understand what the next steps are. Now, these next steps, or the understandings of where these next steps are taking us, I break down into the 5 W's, the who, what, where, when, and why. You know, who's posting, what are they posting, why are they posting, when are they posting it, things like that. And NOD3x as a dashboard like this actually does tell us this, but perhaps it's not in the simplest form. Several months ago we launched Virtual Mentor, and this was designed to handhold people, our users, through a step-by-step process of what they should be doing on a day-to-day basis. Now, our announcement today is more about the new user interface of Virtual Mentor. And what Virtual Mentor now does is convert what you're seeing right here into an easy to understand format. So much so, we can now show it you. And this is the new Virtual Mentor. What NOD3x is now actually doing is converting all of those insights and analyses into a simple to understand content marketing and event calendar. And you can see there are some placements on the calendar already. And you can see this one's from Twitter, this one's from Google+, Facebook, and Instagram. And each of the slots on the calendar have different times of day, and also contain different hashtags relating to how people are sharing content and how they're actually tagging it. Now, why is this important? Well, the differences are between the different platforms that we should never post the same content to each network and expect people to find that content in the same way. We can see here, this is Google+, and these are the hashtags that are being shared on there by the most popular content. If we look at Twitter, these are the most popular hashtags at this moment in time. If we look at Facebook, sorry, that was Facebook. If we look at Google+, then this is Google+. So there's a whole difference of opinion to the tags and the content that is being shared. Now, when it comes to you sharing your content, understanding when content should be going out on any one day and time, and what type of content should be going out on those dates and times, is critically important in order to give your content that you're creating the best chance of being seen by people. Now, what we've also done is not just produce the calendar here, but if I click on one, you can see I can actually schedule an event directly from here, and we can see that NOD3x is automatically populating the hashtag to these posts. So we can double click it and it will add it directly to the content area within here. The date and time is also been populated within there. And what we've also done is to fully integrate Canva, which enables you to create unique and bespoke graphics. We've completely integrated their API into NOD3x, and what we're now able to do is to click on the button and Canva will load up in here, and we can select a series of images. Let's just say we're looking for health related images. We can select from a series of these. Let's say from here we can customize all of the imagery. We can add specific fonts and quotes and things like that to it. We can then publish it, and you can then buy that image directly from Canva, and once purchased it will automatically be added to your post that you're scheduling to go out from NOD3x. Now, we're hoping that this will help you in your content marketing, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.